Alright, good morning guys. Yesterday we left my Ubud. What up, Dustin? Morning guys, I'm with Dustin. But yeah, we made it out to Candi Dasa. It's on the eastern part of Bali, right on the beach though, so it's really nice. We are at the Candi Beach Resort and Spa. We're here for the next 3 nights, 4 days. It is a sister resort of my Ubud, so it's really, really nice resort. It's a 4-star resort out here in Candi Dasa. And yeah, we're gonna do a little bit of exploring. And Candi Dasa is kind of a quieter town. It's not as busy, not as populated as most little villages. Right on the eastern part, right on the ocean. We have an awesome, luxurious ocean view villa, which I'll show you guys in the vlog later on once we get back. So where we're going to today on a motorbike ride, around 55 minutes, is one of the most Instagrammable spots in all of Bali. It's a 52-minute motorbike ride north of Candi Dasa. And yeah, I love Candi Dasa. We're surrounded by mountains. We're pretty close to the volcanoes. Yesterday, Dustin and I went on a volcano ride. It was kind of like a volcano sunset ride out to Mount Agun, which erupted back in November. We got some awesome and beautiful drone shots of Mount Agun. It's a sleeping volcano right now, but it's still very, very active. 52-minute bike ride, and we're gonna be at one of the most Instagrammable spots in all of Bali. This drive is so beautiful. It's super windy. You can tell we're going higher in the elevation, but there's absolutely beautiful views of rice fields. It's kind of loud. You can see the beach, you can see the ocean. We passed a whole group of monkeys that are on the side of the road. I don't know, but this is an absolute beautiful drive. Oh, wow. That was a long drive. Sore butts, sore butts, sore butts. So after about 50 minutes, we made it to the Pura Lempuyan temple. I think the donation's right over here, so find out how much that is.
Very hot, yeah?
It's very hot. The donation is up to us from our heart. All right.
We have to put on our sarongs now.
Yep, okay, perfect.
Thank you so much.
But yeah, we made it to the Lempuyan temple. We all donated however much you want. We threw on our sarongs, threw on our t-shirts, and we were welcomed here. Yeah, so when you get here, you can also hire a little tour guide if you wanted to, for like 10, 15,000 Indonesian rupees. We're gonna explore on our own, as you see. So when you're here, he told us not to do any yoga poses, not to step in front of any of the Buddhists or anyone praying. Don't step in front of anyone, and to be very quiet when we're up here. Just a lot of respect. This is one of the largest Hindu temples in all of Bali. Look at the view of Mount Agun back there, wow. So this is the entrance to the first temple right over here. Oh, wow, there's no one here, dude.
We got the spot to ourselves.
Oh my gosh.
It's crazy.
This is beautiful. The volcano's right back there too. Wow, wow, wee, wah.
Great success.
Very nice. This is so beautiful here. There's some monkeys up there. I see a monkey right up over there.
Perfect.
Okay. Thank you. This is, I'd say, the top Instagram spot in all of Bali. Top view. If you're out in like Denpasar, if you're out in Kuta, this is kind of a hike. Pretty far north in Bali. It's so unique. It's like dragon steps, dragon stairs that shoots up to the top of the temple. We're not allowed to go up there right now because someone's praying, but yep, you can see someone's praying like right up there. Alright, so now we made it to the top of the first temple. So this middle section's closed up, but the other two ends you can go out of. Wow, look at this view. They're praying over there. Okay. So you're not supposed to stand in the middle or stand around the surrounding areas because they're praying right over there. And you have to be very, very quiet and respectful. Yeah, seriously. Yeah, they were bathing those gentlemen in holy water, and the prayers were happening right over there. Nothing happened over here. Nothing happened over here. Ready to roll? Okay. Head back down. So it looks like this is where they started the blessing where we saw them earlier. Oh, alright, let's get out of here.
Good day.
Great day, fist pump. It's a little further out from like Denpasar and Kuta, but still it's worth the hike if you have the time.
We ended up heading out, shot the drone up because I wasn't allowed to at the temple, drove 10 minutes where we stopped to shoot the drone up again over a beautiful rice field. Oh, we got some awesome Instagram shots and amazing cinematics. The view was opened up to Mount Agung, and it was just an awesome morning adventure. We ended up making it back to the villa to meet up with Brent and Lauren for a swim and dinner at Candi Beach Resort.
Gonna make it work it for you. Got a little volleyball court right over here. We parked the motorbikes. I'll jump right off. It feels like a workout just sitting on a motorbike for an hour. My hips, my glutes. Oh, I'm like, shake it off. So welcome to our villa at the Candi Beach Resort and Spa. Come right in. You're entered by this beautiful wooden gate, and this is the entrance, so you put your key card right over there, and it scans it. These doors are huge! So once you walk right in, you get this giant living room area. Right over here. You get a little couch right over here. This opens right up to our pool. Oh. This is the largest television I have ever seen in all of Indonesia. You got a king size bed right back here. So this is the king bed right over here. The doors back here closes up, so you can actually close it up at nighttime. And it's kind of cool over here. So the shades close right over here also, which I just opened up. You can open this doorway out there and go directly to your pool. And let's walk this way real quick. So walking this way, you get to the bathroom, and this is amazing. It's like Lord Farquaad and Shrek opening the giant wooden doors like this, like a king. Well, you get to come right in here, and this is the bathroom. So we'll go this way first, where you get one sink here, you get another sink over there. The floor is like marble, the sink is like marble, the entire wall is like marble too. You get a little, get some natural lighting right over there. And when you walk into the bathroom, you notice that there's closets and cabinets all over the place. But besides that, everything is just super beautiful and high-end in here. So right in here, you get the little toilet. And guys, this is my favorite shower of all time. You walk right in here. This is the shower. Oh my goodness. So there's 4 water heads, 2 waterfalls and 2 regular ones, and then you got the shower. There's like stones surrounding the shower so the water seeps right through. Let's go this way. Walk this way, that's the other sink. This is the jacuzzi tub. So this, I'll spend a couple nights, probably tonight, probably tomorrow, who knows, in the jacuzzi tub, but this is absolutely beautiful. Yeah, that's the bathroom. It is huge. Let's step out back real quick. So this is the backyard, right? This is where the private pool is at. There's a back door right over there too. This is the lovely sanctuary or the private pool. You got a couple sunbeds over there. And then right back there you got a little private pool. You got the beach back there. It's amazing out here. This is our villa for the next 2 more nights. We've been here for 1 night already. Thank you so much, Candi Beach Resort and Spa. This is absolutely amazing. Woo! The water feels amazing out here. You're gonna get in the water? Yeah. That feels amazing.
I think it's about time for a swim.
It's about time, all right. Last night was probably the best night that I've slept this entire trip. I'm not sure why, but yeah, I think we're gonna jump in the pool for a little bit and hang out at the villa for the rest of the day. So I need to bust out and edit. I need to edit a vlog. I'm probably gonna post it tonight or tomorrow. I need to edit the vlog that we just made today, and yeah, this is so nice. Wah wah wee wah. Ah, boy.
Do you have the key?
I got everything.
Alright.
Alright, dinner time. Thank you so much, I appreciate it. The ocean is right over there. I don't know if the camera can see anything, but once we get the candles, it should be fine right now. There you go. That's a lot better.
This is fantastic, dude. The weather is perfect.
Yeah, this
right
is
here on the ocean.
We ended up ordering some appetizers. I ordered the sirloin as my main course, and it was amazing.
This is so good. Okay.
And we enjoyed our meal and headed back to the villa to relax for the rest of the night.
Hey guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that vlog. Alright, I made it out to Canggu yesterday from Candi Beach Resort. It was an awesome stay for 3 nights, 4 days at Candi Beach. I'm in Canggu. I ended up staying at Sean's place, who rented the villa from villa number 1 for my house hunters Bali. So if you want to check out the link, I'll put the link down below. He ended up renting villa number 1 for the next year. He completely furnished it, so it's pretty awesome. Check it out, there's Sean right there. And yeah, Sean and I are gonna be heading to a special place in Indonesia next week. I'm gonna be titling it the Maldives in Indonesia. It's a place that not many people really know about or travel to. I believe Bali really steals the limelight out in Indonesia. We will be there for 3 nights, 4 days at this beautiful location out in Indonesia. If you guys enjoyed this vlog today, hit that like button. If you guys are new to the channel, welcome to the channel. Hit that subscribe button. Comment down below if you have any questions. And also hit that notification bell so you guys are notified for the next vlogs coming out. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys in the next one.